Hey, let's get all that dust and stuff out of this overhead bathroom vent ceiling fan here. See all that buildup in there? That's gotta go. I'll show you how to do it. Took the light bulb out. I'm gonna go for that screw right there. See, that just came right off of there, no problem. See how dusty that is up there? I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum that all out, but I'm gonna clean this thing out too. I'm just gonna unplug it right there. Now I'll take this and blow it out with the compressed air. I'm gonna use my air compressor. Get all that out. Well, if the blower and the vacuum doesn't get it all, you got to get a wire brush up here. You see how it's caked on there? That's no good. Go ahead and get the vacuum and catch all this stuff too. All right, you can see I took a wire brush to it, but I didn't get it all. And so I've got these little picks here right there to get up in there. And so now I can get up in there and get all that crap out of there. So I'm gonna go through each one of these fins here and clean that all out so it's new. Otherwise, it's just gonna build up some more, so. All right, I'm getting closer. You can see I got a lot of these cleaned out, but I'm not done yet. I gotta get up here and still get that little fine stuff out of there. All right, I'm finding this pick method is the most effective way. I'm just taking it and running it all the way up there, getting all that stuff out of there, all the way up top. See, that section here needs more work. Just taking it one right each one. It's like a toothpick. Now I'll take and clean this cover all off too. See how dusty that gets? That all nice and clean. All right, just like new. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together.